this is Dr. Green with Momenta Chiropractic, and today we're going to go over a banded version of the deadlift. Okay, so we use just one of these longer loop or like pull-up assistance bands, and what we're going to do is we're just going to take that and we're just going to step on it and get in a position where our feet are about hip or shoulder width apart. Okay, then we're going to draw some tension in that band just like this, and then sit down into our deadlift position. So I'll show you from the side here. So feet about shoulder width apart, and then sitting our hips back, slight bend in the knees, and then drawing tension at the bottom. We're going to take that breath in to create intra-abdominal pressure, and then we're going to think about pushing our hips forward or pushing our feet into the ground, okay? So breath in, we're going to breathe out on the way up, squeeze glutes, and pull our hips back into that neutral position, really feeling our glutes and hamstrings working. So one more time, big breath in, brace the core. As we go up, we breathe out and push our hips forward or push our feet into the ground and pull our hips all the way through. Now, the most common mistakes that we see from this is either rounding too much in the back and having that kind of take up the slack there, which we don't want, or we see people kind of initiate the movement by extending their back. Notice how my hips don't come up, but my back extends, right? So we want to do the opposite of that. We want to make sure that our first movement comes from extending the hips and the knees, just like that, and then pulling through with the hips to make sure that the tension stays in the lower body, rather than extending or trying to stand up or lift our chest too fast and feeling all that tension in the lower back. So one more time. At the bottom of that position, back is straight. Taking that breath in to fill the abdomen, breathing out on the way up, pulling hips through, really feeling it in the glutes, and then allowing ourselves to slowly return without bending in the back down to that first position. So that's the banded deadlift. Feel free to give it a try. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.